Mame Mao Akwaba emfa wombra Ghana nsem TV GH so. Wo frɛ me adwoa searching.
Hwɛ. Youth bebre no ma bi wo ho munim. Captain Smart wo ye Jimmy for. Me ka se me na cho. Straight. Me ntu sebi. Wo ye Jimmy for. De ntia we Jimmy for no me chiro mu. Hwɛ. Ye tie baby ina wo tena wo TV station. Say a radio station o. Na wo ka say we the youth from Obuasi yenko underground mining, yenko mining company, AG omo underground, yenko pe de ebedi. Yanko omo underground poni o, no mo kum yi. Omo kum youth. Penyim bia ntima beka asempepa bia amfa ho. Obi ntima beka asempepa bia amfa ho. But that statement na we made here no. You made that statement during MPP time no. Na o kan sa asem no. Esa say na your campaign na nim say a campaign na we ama NDC nti na nim say you are fighting for the youth of Obuasi. Omukum youth no bepemene onka asem papa bi amfa ho yo. Nim say de bianka wo tena o show a obekai omampanyi na ma na hu say the AC na ntwaye, but you never talk about it. Hwɛ me ka asem na kire Ghana for. Every mining construction bia okum kotra kra e wo mining construction so a ye wo tax out be ma omampanyi no. Until nipa na yekunkum omo no e wo honom no omokunkum omo saa mining we ni so no ye wo sika company ndi bema Ghana ban me kai wo sa waji saa sika no make sure say youth na yekum omo no wo de be settle omo family because saa youth no me NDC for o me NDC tax forces, most of them no me tax forces. They fought for the party NDC me ka se me na kire ho se mo refin so a e makraman bia nsi aha se obaba ye campaign 2028. Wallahi. Ebe mu se sini. Ani samu MCs no. Hwe?
The percentage.
Compensate di hunkomo.
Diabroni for nko.
Compensate di hunkomo nti ebedi. Because we cannot live in a society that is full of hypocrites. Nyachomfo.
No why say kran ka yedi tina ba bi
nyachomfo
ose ko huru nkofo bo
akoma.
And because omunim say fomfo no anim enti oba no abese obufuo no one insight o
na so ko
I can say on authority there were some ministers, there were some people in this party, some MPs who were so privileged, even than the vice president. I can tell you this. Omu wi anu mo chomo ho. Na omo de komo e de ye party for no, and so bo bebo mampani da Dr. Baumia no. Ya no omo here mesre. Because they think the omo ye no obi anim.
Aye.
Contracts.
Ajigie.
Ye facilitate ma ye nkofo. Omunkofo mu NDC fo.
Say the be your ba. Omo so be di.
Because ojima ni nua ewe MPP ni a ontumi nye 10%.
Debi o. Na mum ne kwa abonte dia obegye.
Ke obe pushie na kwa abonte.
Onso ba na. Onso aban so ba na onso ahwe me. Ene ye.
We are okojina party fo anim say.
Amodi agya mo.
Ka che fom fo ne say omodi agya mo.
Ah, sa nipa no yesa na nipa bone se pa no
why did this now?
Na dia na ada no anya ma wo.
Why na did this now?
Wa anya de, mo anya de. Mo amoye sa no mo anya de. Na nka munya di ntina se.
Come on tunkura. Se ko hura koma.
O se be hura koma.
No paint on ne ho white. Ebi obi na enye.
And ninyina echi no, de ekoso amayimu no, ebia anye na sem.
Debi of a hobe.
Enipa ewu onhui.
Enka no. One ne man na se 40.
Electricity bo ekosoro onka bi.
Debi.
Nkofo.
Ensuo bo ekosoro onka bi.
Ne business partners wom.
Enne de ekoso port onka bi.
Ne business partners.
Ne dia ne say MPP party foi. Mabunu no, grassroots no, obi ade de agyamontimo ntoba mame.
Omo ya amade na nkofo keka se omo he da se yenko position yenye party no ni ade no ni say.
And it is so sad. So sad. Look at the energy and the people wura the internal elections. Asa energy no and you say den sojo mahama ne ndisi amamuo mu a
keni
nka ne tubetwi
keni
ene ayeso Dr. Baumia nko na ne ndisi fo anya
ende
obi aka bi adwene election ho
abane ye de nya na akoka kora bitimi be defend
of course
abro
ene enne
enti party fo amokoto aba moma mani enda ho
fi wani
moma mani enda na nsem we da de MPP ni ye pa o ye duru abato a mo ba tibi o masum
it sounds
mo ba tibi o masum pa
ye wie
enne NDC fo nyina twa mo ho ye campaign ti Dr. Baumia adintra adintra to the point that Kevin tell mu nyina betiasi ye internal election ye campaign mu ye campaign
okay fa ho pain
Kevin tell mu nyina ashase ye campaign
politics now politics who opponent decide no I was am who here
you see your party for say man anya smarter say man anya smarter abontensofuo ene yefiefo ni be ka bom adienya
kofo be
adi ye bone a ye benu ye hu
sare ye nu ye hu nei
look at the trajectory prior to 2024 elections asofo a no mo hyenkom preach etia MPP this same asofo want to choose a flag bearer for the MPP and you think they wish as well you think they wish as well? So for now, and you more the preach it here MPP no. John Mahama Baye, and near mano can also preach it 10 minutes. I think go preach it for 10 minutes because and near mano I say more.
I double.
But on count was some.
Dabida.
Sounds of one hour who can you be the number 2028 you nipa way. And you think that's so for no or meaning well for you. Or you think that asofudie no odi or your politician
odi ne funu nam
or your politician it in the interest not satisfied
sanity
and the father do what na ase na you sofo and just say edura manyesemu a de obeka bi ya no fa
no de
asofo bi nso
because niema o mo de kiri kasati a MPP no e was say na nkomu come more editia ndisi aban but omun kan bi
dabida
say nipa na say opa MPP ye ntimo election mo kono kokoto obama nipa asomasi adaya oso asodaye adaya wonya yichire eye prophecy na wo no what ma validate you say indeed prophecy free nyankopon wa say free nyankopon ho
asem no
eye amanyosem na oye ne dia na beba man this ni I wish MPP ni
papa
a better candidate that so for now that board so ne ba gi appointment when your contract all you know I say mon go to aba mani pa we no na MPP betima man MPP baba power na na djuma free nsa na the contract na free nsa na appointment na ne be nya no afia ne ba nsa
da bi onye sa
is this common sense?
Anya.
Anti-party for no. Yes. Party ne ba po ntuma nya bibia amfa amamo.
Ndie ho.
Mudi yawo. Mene mo ya adwene.
Ndie ho. Ndie ho pa.
Abufu ho. Mene mo ya adwene.
Abiu ho pa. Nanso nya NPP so a.
Ba ni panum no. So obi ani hu fo a obi ani hu fo obi di hu fo a eyom nya di hu fo
to no munyina wo mana
o munyina wo ene one of the candidates test confirm your programmer o send a message class omra obaba se wa anko no ho na official one go invite mpo na send the message
text messenger
set test call for program ewo institution A or B omra obeba
can you not test call for pesika kura they organize programs
enye sika o And let me go car same way. I'm on the matema. But go and ask our Tescon guys and ladies, you know. Say, and your permanent appointment to national service. I walk in a fin of free one. Institutions by I don't know per national service placement or mobile pa or munyabi. They will mention Ghana Gas. They will mention Boston. They will mention NPA.
Why you hono?
I'm telling you.
Hey, I want to
test conference me boa wo meka.
The house na do.
Me say institutional not test conference per appointment. National service placement o mo bre pa. There was NPA. Ghana Gas. How honey. Na hono no hwam na tete o. Today these people have turned back to you saying say obi edi ejamo. Time na onya na we say opeso obedi part anim no. How well did he or she think about you? And ne preko pass wa yosoro abofo a on na dwene ho si na obi a. And there are issues, yes. And they go and look at quarterly common fund. NDC, MMDCC. Yedema
Monyanko.
Your former MMDCs nibi. Enyanka almost every day or to radio so. Na okasama party. But no can say.
Na common fund ma.
Respectfully, isn't me boo money tells me go money must. What they say? O must tremu ene enye. O must tremu nye. MMDCs no more bre.
Former for no.
O more bre. Why did they tell man? Why? Sika na bosume miensa bosume se bia wo se ekono.
Omo be kwa negotiate loan. Me pa cho ti ha mame. Kwesi apia min katro. Me tina me page so nka nche me say I'm lying. Eno na me di atem no. Because the American you can equally check it right now with your phone. The American ha make kan dia badwin se me katro no. Who bet me checking se say no one say there be say dia boy any kan ye no kre. NDC for buy data bank na wo mo de wo be court wo mo be twi omumu wo mo mpene mo nya yi na kufu ado ne ayi ono abusuafo ya kromfo yensen na nado yensen obi yentiti obi yengu obi animu ase. NDC for collect normal list data bank. As a matter of fact, as the #1 prime, you know, and now I know Cassetini, I dare them to come and challenge me. Senior Hosio Sawan, Vice President, you, Finance Minister Ato Forsen, Bank of Ghana, whoever is part of NDC in their financial area, including Phyllis Obosukwach, I want you to come and tell me this and come and prove me that I'm lying. As we sit in Ghana now, company and neni ewo nyamwa manone NDC fu eno mo bosie yo mo namo asie ye no ana omu yusu data bank da so bi still yes ye de kan ofori attack e court me so mo ya abayifu NDC fu ni bebre no beyiye hihye wo mani ase beyiye ya de a empa de pa beyiye bi apade tantan enu nti data bank na ye krono data bank na ye ba ye betwam no enne NDC for aba power tenant ni ye kodi loan a ye kope company security companies ya ebe kwa guarantee dia ma ye ne ye nya loan a ke no for data bank ne #1 as a matter of fact on the prime because how do they even call them like the prime local content they call it local content because for you to get those ones you must get a security that forms the local content. Sometimes it's 3 or 2. That's why we had data bank and then Toby Afede. Is it SAG or something? ASG or something like that. I mean, Toby Afede, a NDC man, no. He also has the same thing as Kenoforiata. And now me know say. Me see NDC ni be mfura no kan tem sam line. Na on form data nkyere. Kenufori atana ye ba. Well we ska oye kromfo yengu akufo adone na busu animu ase no. And the NDC for kodilo na okom ho. That's why that man is not even bothered with this whole why all this I'm like how do they call them special prosecutor cathedral. That's why he's not minding nobody. Kelly Blacks, you don't even know what you are saying. Maybe you know and you can tell me, but I'm giving you a fact here, and anybody that is watching me can tell me or can bring the fact to come and deny what I'm saying. Me say ne. Nanam saying ti the American and na yet way. And this for Kwajebosia data bank account. Akronfo no. Kendo furata akronfo no. Ninu ya wo no na ne bank na akronfo bank. And then John Mahama about power there be your data bank and akronfo bank you. As a matter of fact, and no crown and anime ye. Na the year me ya with data bank on say omo making look who say data bank a commercial bank and crofo this cattle and say we could use carefree. Telegana for ya dwene wo form. Yet the NDC MPP e ho na me don't know ama bebre adwene agimi. I'm being honest with you people. I know my words are a bit unprintable sometimes, but it is the fact. Data banking yet. Data bank ekufuado wono ya kronfo. And then the oka say data bank ya kronfo no kopelo na data bank ni di nanim. The same person will believe it when the Olontoyo special prosecutor comes to tell them say Kanufuriata ekudi cathedral ska. Your problem. John Bejina, me say the way these people demonize data bank. The way you are almost just because the data bank sikabia ko data bank. Data bank is just be anya bank. Just security. Now at the couldn't here. NDC for to me say. John.
Hey, NDC, Abusiafo, NDC manoko we, e yaman boyama yoku papa organa Abusiafo. Chefla ya ni hu nkomwe. Ne mu nsemunye, we say the Bank of Ghana printed 4.58 billion in fresh notes in the first half of the 2025 to support government spending without parliamentary approval, despite President Mahama's earlier vow never to print money. Abusiafo emra na NDC monoko ni John Dramani Mahama ewo opposition no munsem nyina so ono de oba 2 cedis coins kura won print won chesika takunu atwasempoa ene de omo baba mu a yeso ma Yewura John Dramani Mahama ni NDC monoko na ma so mbe bo ga no mbe sai o manwe entro omo de entro for opposition sa de aba park ne so Abusiafo enti mu amosha aba wo ya 20 aba wo ya beboa enti constitution Ghana constitution ni bibia tese amanyoko ni bi emmo ne ho mmode ye betim di asesa no kwane asa to aba foforo enti Ghana for ya hu chiri esei enti seska we pa enti makoko twa we pa Abusiafo edi na mudi seska we ye mo anso mutu opposition se mo ba mu ntweska ha musi mutu opposition mo ba mu ntweska awurade Yesu